Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is day 30 of my coding journey. Yeah, we made it to day 30. It's going by so fast. In this video, we're going to be doing a Codecademy project. So let me go to it. So yeah, we're going to be making a random color picker. So they started us off with some starter code already. So yeah, we got 13 steps. So I'm guessing, once we click the button, it's going to generate a random color for the background. So that's going to be pretty cool to do. Alright, so let's start from task 1. Take a look at the random component class. Random's job is to store a random color to use that color to update the screen's background. First, let's store this random color as state. Give random a constructor method. Let's do that now. Let's give it a constructor. Let's just go ahead and just do the whole entire syntax for it. With one parameter, props. Inside the body of the constructor, write the line super props. Super props. Still inside the body of the constructor, on a new line, set this state equal to this object. So this dot state equals color, and we got x, y, z. Alright. Oh, instead of x, y, z, use 3 numbers between 0 and 255. So I guess just any number. Let's do 123. Let's do 30 for day 30. And let's do 180 for my birthday, day 180. I remember that day. Alright, so that seems right. So let's check that off. Let's go ahead and save it. Oh, wow. Okay. So it already changed the color. So we made purple. Good. Change the 3 numbers inside of the colors array to 3 different numbers. Click save. The background should change. So we already did that. It would be nice to know what color we're looking at in the render. Oh, let me get I'm definitely gonna need my notebook, because once we hit the it always starts off easy. I don't know if you guys got Codecademy. It always starts off easy, but once it gets hard, it's we have to do some Googling and stuff. So it would be nice to know what color we're looking at in the render method. Where's the render method? Okay, render method inside of the H1. Add the text. Wait, inside of, okay, right here. So inside of the H1. So we're gonna add the text. Your color is, and instead of that, we're gonna do this dot state color. Wow. Okay. That's not a very friendly way to display a color. In random, find the method name format color. So right here. So we got the dot join method. So this is okay. Let me look up dot join. So join method. All right. Okay, so Alright, so yeah, it's what I thought it was. Just wanted to make sure. So we got RGB plus array dot join. Okay. So inside in the random, find a method named format color. This method transform an RGB array into something a bit more readable. Inside of the H1, instead of simply using this state color, call the format function and pass it this state color. So instead of using that, so it says call the format function. So I guess we'll do format color and then pass this in there like that. Maybe? No. Okay. Inside the H1, instead of simply using this state color, call the format color function and pass it. So I don't think we need this. Do we? Or should I do this? Maybe I have to use this format color. This dot format color. Like that. Let's see. I think that's right. Yeah, that's right. So now we got the RGB. So 123, 30, 180. And that's what this is doing. This is joining, making it look like that, basically. Okay. Let's check the hint to make sure we did it right. Alright, so yeah, this format color, this state color. Perfect. That's a bit better. A user should be able to click on a button to pick a new random color. In the code editor, you can say button.js file. That will be your button. Select button.js, add the word export so that you're exporting the button component class. All we have to do is export. So that's already exported. So let's take a look at this. So we render in, we return in a button. We're passing a prop. This prop's light button, dark button, and the button says refresh. Okay. All right, perfect. Good. Now, if you import button into random, if you import button into random.js, you'll get the button component class you want. So let's import button. Near the top. So we got a first, wait, what? Near the top line, create a new line after, on this line, import button. Do I just do from button.js? That. I don't think that's right. Share the same parent directory. Wait, it says button.js and random.js. Share the same button. So I guess I'll just do, let me look at the directory. So we got files, test, button.js. Okay, so it should be dot slash files, right? Slash test slash button.js. Did I do it right? No. Oh no, that's test. No, so files. I'm screwing this up. So let's take away test. Let's try that. That is weird. Button.js and random.js share the same parent directory. But do I have to do this? I think I'm doing this totally wrong. Normally I have VS Code do this for me, like the whole path thing. Okay, I was close. So it is button from slash button dot slash button. I guess I don't. Oh yeah, you don't have to write JS. Forgot about that. All right, so there we go. All right. So now you're ready to render a button instant inside randoms render. Go down here. After the H1, add a button instant. So let's add a button. That. Give the button attribute. So this is prop light equals this dot is light. And let's see if that works. Yep, we got it. Perfect. So we can also do, okay, so this dot is light button. So if we don't pass it this prop, I guess it'll be dark. So let's see if that, let's see. Let's just comment this out. Ah, fuck. I had to retype all of that. So yeah, you see it's dark because here we have a if statement, a ternary if statement. So yeah, all right, cool. Let's go back to our button, and I have to retype this. I don't think I can copy this. Can I? Copy. Yep, I can. I like spreading this stuff out so I can see it better, like that. I don't know why. Alright, so we got our button. Get rid of that. You can see your button instance in the browser. However, clicking it doesn't do anything. You need to define an event handler that updates this state color to a new random color. Give random a new method name, handle click. Give random. Oh, okay, a new method name, handle click. So let's start. I guess we can do it right here. Not right there, because it's that method. Let's do one right here. So new method name, handle click. So handle click. Inside handles click body, call this set state as an argument. Wait, call this set state as an argument, pass this set state an object with the following property. What? So calls, I guess we'll just return this dot set state as an argument. We're gonna pass this dot set state and then in here, wait, what? These instructions be so weird sometimes. Inside handle click. Call this set state. So that's what we're calling. This is what we set. So this here, right? As an argument, we're gonna pass this set state an object. Oh wait, no. Okay, so I guess we'll just pass this in here. So like this. If I'm not mistaken. I guess we can stay like that. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Oh no, whoa, what the hell? I copied the wrong thing. That's the prop for the button. Yeah, it's not letting me copy that. So let's just type it. So color this dot choose color that. Sorry about the music. My neighbor just blasted music. I'm screwing this up. Alright, let's try that. Okay, perfect. I think that's right. Not too sure. Hopefully it is. So let's check it off. Actually, we can just look at this and see. So we got handle click. Got that. So okay, so we don't need to return. So we just gotta call it. So this set state in here, then we'll have that. Okay, perfect. It looks right. Yep. Alright, perfect. So that's complete. You just created a new method that will eventually use an event handler. Your new method uses this. That means that you need to bind your new method. Add a new line to your constructor method. On this new line, bind dot handle click. So a new line on my constructor method. And you have to bind handle click. So bind method. Here's a new bound function calling. So we gotta add a new line on this method. I don't know why my nose is running. Check the book of notes. Now I got something about that bind thing that they're talking about. Right. Okay, so add a new line. You just created a new method that will eventually use an event handler. Your new method uses this. Your new method uses this. So that means that you need to bind your new method. So let's look this up. Bind new method with this JavaScript. I don't know. What is the use of JavaScript bind method? Bind creates a new function that will force the this inside the function to be a parameter. Hmm. A whole lot of nothing. Where the hell is bind at? Alright, so let's go to our constructor. Sorry, my timer just went off. Let's go to my constructor. Alright, so it says add a new line to your constructor method. On this line, bind handle click. How the hell do I bind handle click? Like, what? I have something about bind. So in here it shows, in my book it's showing that it's showing, because we learned about bind. I forgot, I think it was in this state, but I don't feel like going back there. So it's showing that I'm just going to try to copy the same syntax I got written down in here. So in here it's showing that you write this dot the name of your method equals this dot the name of your method dot bind, and then in parentheses you write this. But I don't know what this means. This is the example that they gave to us before, so that's the good thing about notes, man. I'm telling you, it comes in handy. So let's just see if this shit works though. So I have it. So we got this dot name of method. So the name of our method is handle click. Handle click. And we're gonna equal it to this dot the name of our method, which is handle click. And in parentheses, we have to write this. I think that's right. I have no idea. But this is, oh, we forgot dot bind. So click dot bind. And then we'll do it like that. All right, perfect. All right. So great. This handle click will update. Let me make sure I did that right. So it's this dot name of method equals this dot name of method dot bind, and then this. Okay. I guess that's right. Just gotta see if it works. Great. This handle click will update this state color to a new random. Now that you're defining a event handler, you can pass it to another component as a prop. This is a pattern that you'll see much more in the next course. In randoms render, give button an attribute with the name on click. Alright, so we got lights already, so let's make 2 lines. So we're gonna do name. Oh no, I was about to write name equals on click. Oh my god. On click and set it equals to the handle click method. So guess do I have to write this dot handle click that? Ah, fuck. I gotta write this. They changed the color, but so that's the good thing, right? Not working though. Should it be working? Okay, it says one more step, so let's do the final step. Select button. In the render function, give button. Okay, this is probably why it didn't work. And on click, set the attribute values equal to the past in prop. So let's go ahead and do that. So we got an on click, and this prop should be this dot props dot handle click, maybe. Let me see something else. Come on. No, it's not working. Equal to the past in prop. How do you equal it to the past in prop? I don't. Let's go by this. We got class name. So that's class name equals this props light. This props light. This props light. So we have to do this props on click. No. On click. Yeah, something we're missing. So this dot handle click. I bet you it's this up here. This bind shit. I think I did that wrong. But let's just make sure we got all this right. So handle click this dot choose color. So let me just look at the hint for this. So I did that right. This props dot on click. So that's check. So it's something else that I did wrong. I really want to check this bind one. So let me go up here and make sure I did this right. So this bind. I know I did this wrong. So this dot handle click equals this handle click dot bind this. I did it right. And it's in the constructor. Okay, so that's right. So I wonder what the problem could be. Oh, it could be that. I got parentheses here. That's probably why. See if that works. Yep, perfect. So just that one little thing. Hey, we made it. Alright, is that it? That's 11. Okay, try clicking the button a few times. If you try to make sense of the build parts of random, you may have come confused, which I did kind of. But actually, like, just working with it, I actually kind of get it. So this is, this is the join, and, it's joining. Because without this, it'll just be they all be bunched together until just 1, 2, 3, 30, 180. So that's that. This is the is light. So this is So I guess this is giving the button the light color, right? Yeah, that's weird. And this is the background. This is the for loop that's pushing the RGB numbers into this array, like the random numbers, I'm guessing. This is the handle click function that we made, and this is what's rendering. So yeah. Alright. Discuss yet. Component did mount. Where's that at? And component did update. These functions are examples of a powerful React feature called lifecycle methods. Whoa. Wait, where's that at? Component did mount. Oh, right here. Component did mount. The component did update. Yeah, I would say that I never seen those before. Okay. You'll learn all about lifecycle methods in Introduction to React.js Part 2, which I thought I did already, but I guess they got it all mixed up. Bonus, notice that the H1 text is white if the screen background is a darker, but the text is black. If the screen background is a lighter color, similar to the button, change the color based on whether the background is dark or light. Can you figure out how that works? Okay. So, wait. Well, I mean, it's with this light. It's with this. So, if it's white, wait. But I know it has something to do with this right here. So, I figured it out. But yeah, I think it's that, definitely. Alright, so yeah, that's it. This is the video, which we always try to avoid because we could just figure it out ourselves. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is the color picker. I don't know how long this video was. It was 33 minutes. Yeah, that's day 30. Peace out, guys. Tonight, on my schedule, all I have is I'm going to continue to learn more React. Probably watch my Udemy course. Just a little light night. I'm actually going to take it a little slow today because, you know, I've been working hard just like these last couple of days, and I just, you know, I kind of need just a little break. So I'm going to just take it a little light, maybe watch a few hours of Udemy. And yeah, that's really it. Day 30, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.